Hello kids, we will learn the names of animals and their young ones. And there will be a quiz in the last part of the video. So listen this carefully and answer it correctly. Let's go! Goat and kid. Goat and kid. Horse and foal. Horse and foal. Hen and chicks. Hen and chicks. Dog and puppy. Dog and puppy. Lioness and cubs. Lioness and cub. Duck and duckling. Duck and duckling. Cow and calf. Cow and calf. Cat and kittens. Cat and kittens. Deer and fawn. Deer and fawn. Elephant and calf. Elephant and calf. Sheep and lamb. Sheep and lamb. Pig and piglet. Pig and piglet. Tiger and cub. Tiger and cub. Bear and cub. Bear and cub. Fox and cub. Fox and cub. Wolf and cub. Wolf and cub. Kangaroo and joy. Kangaroo and joy. Giraffe and calf. Giraffe and calf. Swan and cygnet. Swan and cygnet. Penguin and chick. Penguin and chick. Owl and owlet. Owl and owlet. Eagle and eaglet. Eagle and eaglet. Dolphin and calf. Dolphin and calf. Whale and calf. Whale and calf. Seal and pup. Seal and pup. Polar bear and cub. Polar bear and cub. Rabbit and bunny. Rabbit and bunny. Squirrel and pup. Squirrel and pup. Gorilla and infant. Gorilla and infant. Monkey and infant. Monkey and infant. Frog and tadpole. Frog and tadpole. Pigeon and squab. Pigeon and squab. Tortoise and hatchling. Tortoise and hatchling. Panda and cub. Panda and cub. Now let's move to the quiz. What is the young one of a cat? The young one of a cat is kitten. What is the young one of a dog? The young one of a dog is puppy. What is the young one of a lion? The young one of a lion is cub. What is the young one of a sheep? The young one of a sheep is lamb. What is the young one of a cow? The young one of a cow is calf. What is the young one of a deer? The young one of a deer is fawn. What is the young one of a hen? The young one of a hen is chicks. I hope you all learned this video and enjoy it. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe this channel for more videos. Thank you. Bye.